Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my channel. For this update I've just got from Revell regarding their upcoming F-35A Lightning II in 1/72nd scale. Here is the box art that will adorn the front of the box when it's released. You've seen some CAD renders before on my channel, but now we can look at the test shot frames. The largest parts of the kit are of course the fuselage halves, which quite sensibly are joined with a horizontal seam along natural breakpoints in the design. It's difficult to tell with the lighting here, but the panel lines look pretty good, about as prominent as most manufacturers would go at this scale. I guess the extra depth of the lower half of the model is the reason why there's an extra feed gate up here by the nose. The other frames are perhaps a bit more interesting. In the final box, of course, these three frames here will have been separated from the main feed sprues. The one on the left includes the weapons available in this kit, namely JDAMs and Paveway 4 bombs, and the AIM-9X Sidewinder air-to-air missiles. Each bomb comes in two halves. The Sidewinders are single-piece mouldings. The frame here at bottom right mainly contains doors and walls for the various bays, although these here are probably the optional Lundberg lenses that make the F-35 visible to normal radar for safety reasons in peacetime. Looking more closely, we can look down on the pilot figure here with arms spread so the hands are on the side stick and thrust levers in what appears quite a spacious cockpit. Here there's the exhaust nozzle and the rear turbine disc, and something very interesting here is a separate frame for the canopy glass. Looking at the clear frame, the canopy is a single piece, so I can only assume it must fit on top of the solid frame we saw earlier on. Remember, the kit also comes with a crew ladder and inlet FOD guards, a move to try to make it stand out against the broad competition from lots of F-35 kits available from other companies. There are three schemes being planned for this release. The first is from the 495th Fighter Squadron, 48th Wing, United States Air Force, based at RAF Lakenheath in the UK. The second is a preliminary scheme for a Luftwaffe aircraft. Germany has ordered the F-35A, but as yet none has been delivered, so the scheme is just an idea of what it might look like. Revell are at pains to say they will update it as soon as the markings are finalised. Finally is an aircraft of 313 Squadron Royal Netherlands Air Force based at Volkel. I asked about the F-35B so we can have UK aircraft. Sadly not from this tooling set, as the differences are too many, but as usual Revell did end with never say never. That's all I have for you today, but be sure I'll let you know as soon as I know the price and availability of this kit. If you've enjoyed this short update, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and you'll be notified of all my future content. And do remember, anything you like anywhere on my channel, please give it the imperial thumbs up, because every like counts. Thank you so very much for watching, and goodbye.